Shadows of survival, ingenious smugglers and their machines. Beneath the surface of our seemingly secure world, a silent war rages. A war fought not with guns, but with ingenuity, grit, and machines that would make even the most hardened spy agencies tremble. Here, smugglers are not just criminals. They are engineers, hackers, and daredevils, crafting tools of deception and survival that defy imagination. Submarines vanish beneath the waves, drones dance across the skies, and robotic mules slither through no man's land, all in a deadly game of cat and mouse. These are not just tales of crime. They are stories of survival, born from desperation and fueled by an unyielding will to outsmart the unbreakable. In the dense, suffocating heat of South America's coastal waters, local fishermen whisper of a ghost, a vessel unseen by the eye, undetectable by radar, and unstoppable by law. They call it the Phantom. Built in clandestine shipyards hidden deep within mangrove forests, this submarine is the stuff of legends. Its creators, former naval engineers disillusioned with corrupt regimes, have repurposed their expertise for the black market. The Phantom's fiberglass body makes it invisible to most military-grade sonar systems, and its electric propulsion system ensures it glides silently beneath the surface. But its real genius lies in its operators. On its first mission, carrying a staggering 5 tons of medical supplies, the Phantom faced a Coast Guard blockade equipped with advanced detection equipment. With nerve-shredding precision, its crew used hacked oceanographic data to plot a route through an underwater canyon. The sub came within mere meters of colliding with a patrol boat's keel. As sonar pings echoed through the cabin, the crew cut the engines and drifted with the currents, hearts pounding in the oppressive silence. They knew one slip, one noise, would mean death, or worse. Hours later, the Phantom surfaced under the cover of darkness, delivering its cargo to a remote village. The medicine saved hundreds of lives. For the smugglers, it was proof of their genius. For their pursuers, it was a chilling reminder of how far they still had to go. In the barren deserts bordering Eastern Europe, the air itself hums with tension. This is the domain of the drone lords, a syndicate of smugglers who have turned consumer drones into tools of breathtaking precision and terrifying unpredictability. Their machines, cobbled together in hidden workshops, are marvels of modern engineering, silent, fast, and nearly invisible to the naked eye. The drones move in swarms, their formations as unpredictable as storm clouds. Each unit is programmed with an AI that analyzes patrol routes in real time, adjusting its path with an eerie autonomy. The swarms split into decoy groups, drawing fire from border guards, while the real drones descended into enemy territory like ghosts. One Border Patrol officer, speaking anonymously, described the scene. "It was chaos. We shot down dozens, but there were always more. And then we realized the ones we were shooting were empty." By the time they understood the deception, the contraband was already hundreds of miles away, distributed to rebel forces and freedom fighters. In the dense forests of Southeast Asia, the ground crawls with life, but not all of it is natural. Among the roots and shadows, robotic mules slither, crawl, and dig. Created by the shadowy network known as the Underground Railroad 2.0, these machines are as haunting as they are ingenious. These robots are designed to mimic the animals of the region, from scuttling insects to burrowing mammals. Outfitted with thermal camouflage and self-healing exteriors, they evade even the most sophisticated detection systems. Each mule operates autonomously, guided by encrypted signals that change by the minute. One mule, nicknamed Lazarus by its creators, became a legend. Tasked with transporting USB drives containing damning evidence of human rights violations, Lazarus braved minefields, guard dogs, and armed patrols. It reached its destination only to be destroyed during extraction. Days later, another mule arrived, an identical copy, rebuilt from scratch with the same data intact. The message was clear: you can destroy us, but you cannot stop us. For all their brilliance, these smugglers walk a razor's edge. The stakes are as high as they come: imprisonment, execution, or worse. Yet for many, the risk is worth it. For them, it is not just about money or power. It is about survival, defiance, and sometimes salvation. The submarines, drones, and robotic mules are not merely tools. They are lifelines. They deliver hope where there is none, medicine where it is needed, and truth where lies prevail. But each success comes with a price. For every phantom that slips past a blockade, another sub is sunk. Enjoyed the video? Hit that like button and subscribe to catch all our future content. Your support keeps us creating.